All right, good morning, brothers and sisters, and welcome back to the UK Live. It is 10th of January 2018 and 2:30 a.m. Eastern now. Uh, in this session, I'll touch base with the euros, Euro USD, GBP USD, dollar index, and gold trade potential trade setups. To be very honest, it is a bit disappointing, but that's fine. But the trades sent out on the telegrams are being used by quite a few members for their own business, and they're making business out of it, which had been transparent. I would have loved it, but it's not being so. So kindly excuse me for not posting the trade signals for now, at least for the next until I find a solution to this. Like we and I will find a solution, God's grace, because my intentions are very clear and very genuine. But then it also says it also the saying also goes that you don't want to be taken for granted, even if you know it. All right. So God bless everyone. Had it been an open uh, discussion, it would have been fine, but I don't want to discuss more on this right now. Let's focus on our work. The YouTube channel has to grow, and thank you so much for your support. I will definitely find out a solution for the Telegram stuff. All right, let's get started with the euro. Okay, now if you were there with me yesterday, in continuation to what we discussed during the New York live, uh, that's the first wave within wave 5. The second wave, Euro USD is now probably beginning its last leg. That 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 is wave 4. Mostly it's terminated now. It's also entered the territory of wave 1, which is a normal diagonal rule. Right. I'll be posting all the other 4 educational videos that I promised earlier in the next few hours for you to watch, and never hesitate to please write to me or ask me anything that you feel like. Right. uh, I think it's wave 4 has terminated here, and we are now looking forward for fifth wave, just to give you an idea where it would get terminated. Once again, as a general declaration, this stuff is being done and initiated purely out of passion. There is no intention of any monetization for YouTube. There might be something for the Telegram channel in the near future, but this thing on YouTube will continue. Do not take this as any form of personal solicitation of trades, brothers and sisters. This is absolutely on an educational basis, but you can really take advantage, or informed trading decisions can be made based on these stuff. Wave 5, if you project at this point in time, straight in line, could go and terminate somewhere above the 2100 handle. All right. So we will not be discussing about the specific trades here, but we'll be giving enough evidence as to what you should be doing and on which direction you should be going. Right. So potential wave 4 is terminated around the 1.1915, and that's the resistance line of the ending diagonal. Must be we are expecting resistance around the 2100 levels now for the fifth wave to go and terminate. All right, so that would be your trading decision. Next is dollar index. This session will not go more than 6 minutes or so. We've got few trades, setups to be discussed right now. And watch out for the short videos. I'm thinking about 10 such videos to be posted with proper Elliott wave counting. Alright, if we need to believe what we've done in the euro, I think something in the similar lines would be in the dollar index as well, would be seen in the dollar index as well. So probably one more leg on the south side, wave 1, 3 waves, another 3 waves, wave 2, another 3 waves, wave 3, 3 waves, wave 4. That gives us enough room for a push towards the fifth wave. Lower. Let's see where the termination point is taking. We are absolutely flat in the dollar index right now, and we'll be looking to see where the fifth wave terminates. The support should be coming around the 91.50-55 mark. All right. Now it's almost out of question for me to invite you to the Telegram channel if you're not yet joined, but soon a solution will be found out, and we'll continue from there on. All right. Just please be with me for a little while. GBP USD next. We are going to keep the live sessions very short and very precise, at least for now. Okay, support is seen. First major support which needs to be broken is the 3300 handle, and by all means, if we are to continue from where we left yesterday, immediate target is the 3300 handle for pound. Right, resistance will be strong enough around the 3620 mark, and above that it will be around 3660 mark. Right, looks to be that wave 4 of a higher degree already terminated at 3650-60 levels. It has been tested around the 3610-15 levels, and the next target should be around or the swing should be towards the lower lows and lower highs going forward. Right, watch out for a break below the 3300 handle and the next around the 3000 handle. The daily charts looking promising for bears to initiate from here on. Right, maybe they're just waiting for their counterparts, euro, but pound doesn't do that. Actually, it's going to move in its own manner. Selling on rallies might be your trading strategy here. Gold, just for a while we are out of the trade at this point in time. I understand the wave structure in continuation to the counts that we did. We have not done the counts for gold. Actually, I'll be doing it today, but first things first, I'll be posting the remaining 4 educational videos for the Elliott wave that completes the promise that we had done or made during the Christmas. That was a gift, and I strongly believe anybody who is using these practical videos that we've done in the last 10 to 12 sessions, you will definitely be benefited. And do not ever hesitate to write to me or ask whatever questions you have in mind. I think it's making a running flat. That was wave A, and ABC wave B. Watch out for a wave C technically unfolding into 5 waves, pushing above the resistance here 13, 25, 26, should be going towards the vicinity. Let me draw a trend line here. There you are. It might go and test 1330 levels up there before running short and giving it to the base again. At this point in time, we are expecting that wave D has terminated at 1236. Unless and until prices drop quite a bit lower, below 1250, 60, we will keep this count active. Alright, so you might have known by now what you need to trade and on which direction. Euro might be pushing one last time, gold might be pushing one last time on the higher side, and then would be reversing lower again. Alright, so that's it for now. Please watch out for the 4 educational videos that shall be uploaded in the next few hours, and individual wave counts videos for different time frames, more instruments now each day. All right, I think we'll make this YouTube channel as the best educational channel in the coming times. And thank you for your support. Thank you for spreading the word. If you're not yet subscribed, please do so, and don't forget to share, brothers and sisters. All right, so until the next session, I'll be back live during the New York session, 8 AM Eastern Standard. Before that, I'll be posting the educational videos at least. All right, so thank you again for joining if you're live or watching this video on an offline mode, and take care and God bless, brothers and sisters. See you soon.